biggest plane I've ever seen in my life. It's massive. Hello everyone, ciao tutti. We are here in Dishimamunu Air Base in Sardinia, Italy, and today we are welcoming the Antonov 124, one of the biggest airplane in the world. Look at this. NATO used this aircraft to move very heavy loads all around the world wherever our missions needed. Today, the Antonov is coming with a special delivery for exercise Noble Jump 23, and they are coming with 2 Tigers helicopters from the German army. Look at this. Hey, how are you?
Hello.
I'm Malau.
Dima, nice to meet you.
Can you give us a tour of the plane?
Yes, no problem. Yeah, please.
Okay, let's go. This is the kitchen.
Yeah, small kitchen we have here, and small refrigerator, some oven, and some food. We have some seats here.
Okay, these are the passenger seat.
Yeah, this is the passenger was sitting here. Places for the rest for the
For the crew? So you are sleeping here?
during the flight. If we have the long flight, 5-6 hours, we just.
Is it comfortable?
Of course, yes.
Look how big it is from the inside. This plane can actually carry more than 150 tons of freight. Hey, how are you doing? Can you make us a tour of the cockpit? Thank you. Wow. I think it's the biggest one I ever seen. Look at this. So you can't actually see outside because the nose of the plane is up for the unloading. And how many are you total in the
Total in this time 18. Yeah, left side, right side. Yes.
Whoa,
Feel like a cap.
it's comfortable. You have a lot of space. That's it for the tour. Hope you enjoyed it.